They totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi. Your body they make me shit.